Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing and sharing light for the world to become better. Namuhla I want to talk about ukuphakamisa isithunywa, meaning ukuphakamisa ingilosi. I'm talking about this today because I had a consultation and someone said, ngiyafuna ukuthi isithunywa sami siqhume, ngiyafuna isithunywa sami ukuthi siphakameke manje, ngiyafuna ngihamba impophoma, ngihamba ihlane, ngiyafuna. You'll find that uyingane yesithunywa nasi isithunywa kodwa asikaphakami kahle. You're going to the mountains, you're going to Impopoma with a certain hope that vele sizophakama to its fullest potential. Kanti akwenzeki ngalendlela wena ufisa ukuthi kwenzakale ngayo. It is because there is no general way of ingilosi ukuthi kumele ukuthi iphakame kanjani. Ayikho indlela common general. Yebo ungathandaza kodwa ingilosi zethu azifani. Kukhona ingilosi ezizofuna ukuthi uye empophomeni uye emanzini or noma uye entabeni uyokhulekela khona. Uthi mase ufika ukhulekela khona uhlangane nezinye ingilosi zakho, izinye idalwa zakho bese ke kuyaphakama. But kukhona ke le ingilosi efana njengale engihamba nayo. Mina le engihamba nayo ke ingifuna ngisendaweni enokuthula. Not to say I need to be out there ehlathini or empophomeni emanzini. I could just be in the comfort of my own home. But it needs to be quiet. Kuzomela ukuthi kuthuleke. Into engiyenzayo nje ukukhuleka. Khuleka. And ngikhuleka ngoyinikezela. And I've been doing it since I was very young. I've been doing it while I was at varsity, while I was working part-time up until I qualified, and then I'm working now. I have my own place. I'm still praying like that. Indaba zokuya ehlane, indaba zokuya empophomeni, I was never that type of a person who othanda ukuya emanzini empophomeni, because of even though bengiya ukuyohike, when I come back, I didn't come back as this someone who was revived. Kodwa nje bengibuya njalo ngikhathele. It felt like ngithatha eminye imimoya mangihamba nje lapha ku these hiking spots. Ngoba mangifika ekhaya yo hayi ngifika njalo ngiqobekile. So ngikhuluma nawe ke mhlambe eyakho ingilosi ifana nale eyami. It just needs a quiet space where you'll just close the door and pray. Kuningi okushiwo ngami ukuthi mangaba umuntu ongena emanzini, uhamba amanzi, ngingene empophomeni, ngiyobhonga nje ngithi bubu. Ivoice yami ibe ngakaya. Hayibo. Ivoice iyayishintshela nje noma ungangenanga ngisho emanzini. Iyayiguqukela yona ngesikhathi, not ukuthi ufakelwe ipressure. We meet a lot of healers out there abakutshela ukuthi sizokuphuzisa lokho sikuphuzise lokho bese ingilosi yakho izovela iqhume tiqa. But iqhumile ke manje, is it supposed to work at that time? No. Kunabanye abafana nathi nje bangishilo ukuthi the way ingilosi zethu ziqubuka ngakhona ziphakama ngakhona akufani. Mhlawumbe ekhayeni lakho there's someone who will pass away bese then ingilosi yakho iyaphakama. Akufanani. But everything you do trying to improve your journey spirituality, you must get results. Last time I spoke about the candles that we are using. Now I'm talking about ihlane. I'm talking about imipopom. If ubizu hambu mpopom, hambu ihlane, but you don't get what you want. Mhlambe awuboni lama visions, akucaci konke kuza slowly. You went there ungabizwanga. Ngoba kumele uye empophomeni, kumele uye emanzini mawubiziwe. Khumbula imipopom indawo zinabanikazi bayo. Fana nalo ulwandle, kunemimoya ephilayo khona elwandle, imimoya emihle, imimoya engekho mihle ngaphakathi. Fike wena uzingenele ufile ngathi you are stuck, ufile ngathi ublocked, ufile ngathi there is no progress, ubuye entabeni uthi ubuye uyothandaza bebayophakamisa ingilosi yakho, ubuye ungasenamandla. Ngazi abantu mina abahamba bathi bayophakamisa izithunywa zabo baye empophomeni, bahamba bajula bathi baye empophomeni yakoMadeben. Abantu bakhona bathimele bebuye baphakamiselwa amaladi ukuthi kube umuntu othandazayo ke manje ophilisa abantu. Can I tell you, the person came back tired, and after that trip yokuthi empophomeni and all of that, akazange akhulekela umuntu, akazange alapha umuntu. I think kumthathe mhlambe a year, if not a year, 2 years ukuthi ingilosi yakhe iphinde ibuye imkhanyisele imcacisele. After isikhathi eside, because of people have this thing ukuthi they will go entabeni bayophakamisa lapha ingilosi zabo, abuye ke nayo acanga ukuthi uyabuya, acanga ukuthi konke manje kuzohamba kahle. Ingilosi ithi tu ayihambanga inako dithe tu up until uhlanzeka uba right. Khane ke ingilosi uzoyibona ngathi iyaphaphama because of siyawabona lamanzi wasempophomeni ukuthi yebo a clean ufise ngathi ungangena kuona vele mawuthi uyaphuma uzuzwe ngathi umzimba usuthambile, but awubona amaphupho wakho, awuboni lutho, awuboni nix, ubona ngathi the stagnant. Bekungamelanga uye. If you are currently experiencing that, melulinde, and abanye abantu abafuni ukuyikholwa imfihlakalo yamaZulu. Thina siphila ngayo imfihlakalo yamaZulu. Uma ungakholwa uyolungela kudalwa, ngoba kumele ukholo ukuze izinto zakho zizolunga. Ngiyakholwa mina, ngiyakholwa ngokweqiniso, yiko ubone izinto zami zihamba ngolayini, yiko mangimemeza inkosi ngizwa kahle iphinde ngiphendule on the spot. So ngiyanicela yonke into esiyenzayo sithi sizama ukuthintana namandla wamaZulu, sizama ukufuna isela ngeimpilo zethu, sizama ukulungisa impilo zethu. Ake sikhulekeni bantu, sikhulekeni ngokweqiniso, kodwa sifundise nokulinda ngoba inkosi iyalindwa. Nami ukuze ngifike la ngimi khona angizange nje ngathi ngifuna ukuphilisa abantu manje, ngifuna ukusebenza abantu khona manje. Everything was a journey. The most beautiful thing about my journey, I enjoyed every step, every minute of it, because of I was happy that I was studying, I was happy that I was doing my part-time job. I've learned so much. I allowed ukuthi impilo ingipushe around, but it didn't just push me around. I prayed so that I don't get into wrong things. I know what I'm destined for. I know what I'm supposed to do. So wena ke ohleli lapho ufuna ukuthi ingilosi yakhe iphakame, kodwa you've been all around, ingilosi iza kancane, vula inhliziyo ngoba uyakhuleka, kodwa ukhuleka ngovalo, ukhuleka ngokusaba. Uthi makufika umoya nje unga-understand or ufika this energy that overwhelms you, you just like hayi ngiyayekela, hayi ngivula amehlo, angeke iphakame ingilosi ngaleso sikhathi. Kuzomela ukuthi wavala amehlo ukhuleke, uzwe lento ukuthi ithi ngathi iyacindezela kuba ngathi kunomoya okucindezelayo, ubhonge kakhulu urase uthi yebo Nkosi, urase nje uxosha umoya omubi. You are growing. That's when now ingilosi yakho iphakame. Kuzomela ukuthi udedele igazi, kuzomela ukuthi ukhulule inhliziyo, ingilosi izokwazi ukusebenza ngawo. Ngoba abanye abantu kuyasho ukuthi banezithunywa, kodwa umuntu ugcina akhala nje, akhala, kodwa angakwazi ukuchazela abantu ukuthi ukhaliswa yini. Or umuntu aloku la busy nje anyakaza, angathi kuba ngathi umuntu oxhuzukayo, or kube ngathi kuba khona into ofuna ukuyikhuluma, but awukhona ukuyikhuluma, because of inhliziyo ayivulekanga. Khululeka, zinikezele, ithi yebo Nkosi ngiyakuthanda. Uma usuyinikezele bese ke uyawabona lamandla asebenza ngawo, wabona lamandla asebenza kuwena, ubona nje nawo uphilile umqemane. uma usuyivumela ingilosi isebenze isithunywa sakho sisebenze ngawo ngiyakutshela uyovuka nje umoya uthi wasuqedile ube normal njengoba nami ngihlezi nginormal ayikho kude nami ingilosi yami ihamba nami imihla namalanga ngoba mangifikela nje ukuthi ngithi yebo baba iguquka ivoice angizenzeli kuyazenzakalela ngoba ngisuke nje sengimemeza nje bese kuyazenzakalela. So ngiyanicela abantu ake sikhulekeni sikhumbule ukuthi indlela zethu zokuphakanyelwa isithunywa azifani kodwa uma nqoba ukuthi ake sikhulekeni wena uthanda kakhulu umphophomulo oluhamba uyehluye enyuka kodwa awuboni umvuzo walokho buye ekhaya ukhuleke ngaphakathi endaweni yakho ukhuleke uNkulunkulu uyokuzwa noma ungaphakathi ekhayeni lakho ngoba inkinga nikhetha leindawo ezirong zokukhuleka fike lapho kuleso sigangoro whatever la ukhulekela khona kunemimoya lapha evunguzayo kuningi abantu abakwenzayo mabayo hike you just think that people are just going to hike kanti cha kukhona abayokwenza lapha fike wena uthi uyokhuleka ingilosi yakho ibambeke manje ingakwazi ukuba express ingakwazi ukuba free because of there's just too much energy in that space okhetho ukuba sona ushiya ikhaya lakho eline peace eliclean wayesikhangeni wathi uyokhuleka ingilosi ayikwazi ukukhuphuka ke manje ngoba nje yazini sekuhlangahlangene lemimoya so lindani nithandaze nicele enkosini ukuthi baba ngikhanyisele ngibonise indlela kuyona ekumele ukuthi ngiphile uzoyibona ke inkosi izokukhanyisela izokucacisela ngoba usucelile nje kholo ukuthi seyikubonisile bese ke uyanethezeka uyalinda uyabona esekubonisa konke niyathandwa akube ubumbano nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwabakhaya wenu